Hey, what's going on, lazy athletes? This is Jeff D with Supreme Elite Lazy Fitness. Last week's workout, we went ahead and worked on the upper body by doing push-up variations that worked on your tricep, your bicep, your chest, and your shoulders. This week, we're looking to build on that by doing a full body workout, which will incorporate a little bit more cardio and a little bit more legs. The whole purpose of this is to go ahead and have a nice fat burning program to get you that summer body, or prepare you for that summer beach body, since summer's only a few weeks away. So let's go ahead, get it done. Not that much talking this time around. Spend some time with yourself.
3, 2, 1,
go!
3, 2, 1, stop, rest. 3, 2, 1,
go!
3, 2, 1, stop, rest. 3, 2, 1,
go!
3, 2, 1, stop, rest. 3, 2, 1,
go!
3, 2, 1, stop, rest. 3, 2, 1,
go!
3, 2, 1, stop, rest. 3, 2, 1,
go!
3, 2, 1, stop, rest. 3, 2, 1,
go!
3, 2, 1, stop, rest. 3, 2, 1,
go!
3, 2, 1, stop, rest.
Hey, lazy athletes. Hopefully you stuck through it. If you did, you were able to work your full body in less than 4 minutes. Give this workout a try for 3 more rounds in order to get a nice 15 to 16 minute workout, guaranteed to burn a lot of fat while building muscle. As the country reopens and the weather warms up, definitely I know you're going to be looking to switch routines and burn a lot of fat. Cardio, calisthenics, and HIIT is a great way to do that. As always, be safe, be strong, stay healthy, stay blessed, and most importantly, don't forget to spend some time on yourself.